Hola amigos, welcome back to Spanish Made Simple. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emilia.
Today's episode is extra special. It's our holiday edition. We're going to learn how to talk about Christmas and New Year's in Spanish.
That's right. You'll learn 15 easy Spanish phrases to help you celebrate the holidays like a native speaker. We'll practice greetings, food, family, and New Year wishes. Everything you need to sound natural and festive.
So grab a warm drink, get cozy, and let's begin. Let's start with the most important phrase of all. Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas.
Repeat after us. Feliz Navidad.
Now say, Feliz Navidad a todos. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Nice. Here's another one you'll hear everywhere in December. Felices Fiestas. Happy holidays.
Perfect. That's a polite way to wish someone joy during the season, even if they don't celebrate Christmas.
And for New Year's, say, Feliz Año Nuevo. Happy New Year.
Let's combine them. Feliz Navidad y Próspero Año Nuevo. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Good. Próspero means prosperous. So it's like saying, wishing you good fortune and success.
Now you try. Say it slowly. Feliz Navidad y Próspero Año Nuevo.
Perfecto. You sound great already.
The holidays are all about family. So here are some phrases you can use when you're with your loved ones.
Estoy agradecido por mi familia. I'm thankful for my family.
Or if you're a woman, say, Estoy agradecida por mi familia.
Gender change, remember? Now try this one. Me gusta pasar tiempo con mi familia. I like spending time with my family.
Nice. Here's another useful one. La cena de Navidad fue deliciosa. The Christmas dinner was delicious.
Yes, food is very important during Christmas in Spanish-speaking countries. Let's practice describing it.
Say, comimos pavo y tamales. We ate turkey and tamales.
Or, bebimos ponche y chocolate caliente. We drank punch and hot chocolate.
Muy bien. Now let's add some feelings. Estoy muy feliz de estar con mi familia. I'm very happy to be with my family.
Este día es muy especial. This day is very special.
Now, imagine you're at a Christmas dinner. Let's do a mini dialogue. Feliz Navidad, Emilia. Merry Christmas, Emilia.
Feliz Navidad, Daniel. ¿Cómo estás?
Estoy muy feliz. La comida huele increíble. I'm very happy. The food smells amazing.
Sí, la cena de Navidad siempre es deliciosa. Yes, Christmas dinner is always delicious.
Salud por la familia. Cheers to family.
Salud. Cheers.
Let's move to New Year's celebrations. Año Nuevo. Here's one you'll say right at midnight. Feliz Año Nuevo. Happy New Year.
Now say, Brindemos por un nuevo comienzo. Let's toast to a new beginning.
Salud. Cheers. You can use this anytime you raise a glass.
Te deseo lo mejor. I wish you the best.
Or, que tengas un próspero año nuevo. Wishing you a prosperous new year.
Now, imagine you're with friends at midnight. Let's do a short dialogue. Feliz Año Nuevo, Daniel.
Feliz Año Nuevo, Emilia. Que este año sea mejor que el anterior. May this year be better than the last.
Sí, mucha salud, amor y éxito. Yes, lots of health, love, and success.
Brindemos por un nuevo comienzo.
Salud.
Now, repeat after us. Feliz Año Nuevo.
Brindemos por un nuevo comienzo. Salud. The holidays are also about love and gratitude. Let's learn a few ways to express that.
Estoy muy agradecido por todo lo bueno de este año. I'm very thankful for all the good things this year.
Or, gracias por estar en mi vida. Thank you for being in my life.
Espero que tengas un día lleno de alegría. I hope you have a day full of joy.
And one of my favorites. Que la paz y la alegría estén contigo. May peace and joy be with you.
Beautiful, right? Now let's put a few of those together.
Estoy agradecida por mi familia. Gracias por este año tan bonito. Que la paz y la alegría estén contigo.
Repeat them one more time slowly.
And that's it for today's special holiday episode. You just learned 15 essential Spanish phrases for Christmas and New Year's.
Practice them every day this season. You'll sound more natural and confident with every word.
And more importantly, you'll connect with Spanish speakers around the world in a meaningful way.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Spanish Made Simple.
We post new episodes every week to help you learn Spanish the easy way.
Tell us in the comments, ¿cuál es tu frase favorita de hoy? What's your favorite phrase from today?
We'd love to hear your answers. Until next time.
Feliz Navidad y Próspero Año Nuevo.